Some 300 vendors operating along Main Road in Chivu will go without incomes for the next 3 weeks after government removed them from their stores to paint a clean picture of the country to delegates coming for the SADC summit. Sabina mashoko abuda chinyorwa panapa vanhu vachema-chema vachiti aiwa this upcoming SADC summit yauya nekuchema-chema, aiwa yauya nenhamo, yabringa ma-problems. When we subscribe or turn on the bell icon. Vendors who spoke to the media on condition of anonymity said the action was taken although they paid their permits to Chikomba Rural District Council. The most affected vendors are based at Eastern Lake premises, Mashingo Bus Terminus, Chicken Inn, and Harare Bus Terminus. Chikomba RDC CEO William Chwara could not be reached for a comment, and his phone went unanswered. The summit has become some sort of evil to informal traders. We live from hand to mouth, and the closure of our business means that there is no food for children at home, said Jongwe. Machuka rubuda panapa tuna vanhu vachiti aiwa vamwe vedu vanorarama from hand to mouth vachiti aiwa kubviswa kwavaitiwa zvichinzi aiwa noda kwezis upcoming SADC summit vanhu mavendors vakangobva munzira vachiti aiwa zvaunza maproblems vana vachafa nenzara. Utidzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko chakadai. Vinai comment section medu, musavana subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.